Hi, in the previous video I already showed you how to install SQL Lite, so how to install the driver of it, how to install the SQL Lite Studio. So for this reason you already know also how to install Qt. So open your Qt program. Like for this video we're gonna do some insert operation from Qt programming language. Let's say create a project. Let's say SQL Lite insert Qt. No? Create one directory to save your project. It's a CMake. I'm using CMake. I use a QA widget. So here I don't care about language. Select all kits. Well, it's done. Amazing. Well, let's go to Google and to check what Qt SQL talks about. Go to your specific version of Qt. Here I have C 6.2. Get SQL model provides support for SQL databases. So it has a three layer: driver layer, SQL API layer, and user interface layer. As already told you this in this previous video. Well, how to link this SQL? Well, any kind of database, MySQL or SQLite, requires SQL library to be built in. So what we do, we need to link this and tell that our Qt to find SQL. Well, in our case, let's go to CMake and put here find package SQL and also put here SQL, no, and then go down right here SQL as well. So over here, attach it, done. Build, amazing, it's done. So this is nothing but it's built already with CMake. Well, for QMake user, you need to do just Qt plus equal to SQL. Alright, SQL. Alright, let's go to see what SQL programming talks about. So we have a bunch of classes here. SQL class contains miscellaneous identifier used throughout the Qt SQL model. Qt database that we are going to use it handles connection to database. SQL driver abstract basically for accessing specific SQL databases. It's nothing but also it's going to tell you which kind of drivers there are also there. Well, also there are other, so we're gonna use SQL database, we're gonna use SQL driver, we're gonna use SQL query, and etc. Well, for this video only those three, but for those, if once we are doing let's say insert operation, I would like to do some design here like insert operation professionally. So let's create one button. Alright, so let's create here a button. Let's go to slots. Now I click slot, I already manage here, perfect. So I would like to change style of it. So I would like to put here, let's put the color, background color, let's put green. Let's change the text and put here insert. Right, so let's put here basically I would like to put here labels, three labels. No, let's put another label and here. So correspondingly I'm putting here first first name, last name, and age. No, amazing. So it's a labels. Then I'm putting here let's say line edit to just manage over here. Copy paste again, the same thing over here like this. Amazing. So let's a bit align those. Let's align these two together and go to align horizontally, align horizontally, uh, align horizontally. Alright, so after that I'm telling also to widget to align them vertically. Alright, no, vertically. Amazing. So what we have here, basically we have three line edit, we have line 2, we have line 3, we have first name label, label 1, label 2, label 3. So basically you can change also your labels, like you can change here, like put here some other stuff. Let's increase the fold, apply. First name is this? No? Well guys, you can like play around it. Actually, alright, just this, you know, found. Alright, apply this. Alright, so it's done. Basically, it's done. So let's build it and let's run it. Amazing. It looks like good. It looks like good. Just one thing I would like to do, just to do a bit like this, you know. Amazing. I think pretty enough good. Just for curiosity, let's change, let's say, color, background color. Let's I put blue, something like. No, I didn't like this color because too much is blurring the background. Well, let's choose some another color. Well, it's more professional. No. Well, it's done here. Let's run again. Amazing. We have this design. Amazing. So we finished designing our Qt side. So in the next video, we're gonna see how to create a database from Qt, how to set it inside the columns and with corresponding values of columns. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.